What's going on? My name is Michael Petty. In this video, I want to show you how to get traffic to your links. Because we all know, no traffic, no leads, no sales. So I'm going to show you a free strategy and I'm going to show you a paid strategy. Now, when you're posting on Facebook, it's not about posting about business itself. Pretty much what you want to do is take information like pieces of training that you learned and share it on social media. Like in our G100 section of Exitus Elite, we have so much training in here. When you go through this training, you can take a piece of the training that stands out to you the most. You go to Facebook, take a piece of what you learn, post it on Facebook. You can add a little bit to it, make your post. With the training inside of Exitus Elite, you can learn how to simplify it, learning to sell and learning easy strategies. And say link in the comments and simply post it and put your links in the comment. But the fastest way to get leads is to find a lead source, like the lead sources we give inside of Exitus Elite. Get traffic to your lead capture page. Simply pick one of the lead capture pages in the back office of Exitus Elite. A person enter their name, email address, and possible phone number. The autoresponder kicks in once they confirm the email address. Start following up with your prospects, sending them to the video presentation. And Exitus Elite has a call center that will close your sales. So there's a free strategy in getting traffic and there's a paid strategy in getting traffic. One of the best ways of getting traffic is also YouTube. Video marketing is one of the most powerful strategies that's out there. People can connect with you. You can let people know who you are as a person. You can give value such as this video. Just keep it very simple. And then when you're building your list, outside of the autoresponder, I personally like to use Aweber to send out my thoughts at the moment if I think of something, and you can lead them to whatever you want to. Once again, my name is Michael Petty. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Talk to you soon.